It's on.
Yeah, I know it. Damn, what are we Instagramming?
No, go over there. Get away from the phone. Billy, come over here, Billy.
Yeah.
You know what? What are we gonna do? We need to check this out. We're gonna do a taste test of limited edition praline pecan honey butter.
Limited edition?
You know what? We're gonna redo this because you're over here too far and you need to be right here.
I can't see with my glasses on.
We're gonna do... I didn't call you in yet.
That's not how we did it the first time. Yeah.
Wow! Your ending?
When you change it up, you're gonna have to start giving me some kind of code. You'll have to be like this.
No. Dutch oven loving.
Ain't no loving like Dutch oven loving.
Yeah!
Wow!
Yeah. No giggling in this video. This is important. I just ripped
your pants?
another pocket. Or, Alright. I got mail call from Blind Views. Yeah. He drew a picture of Papa and it was live. Y'all look and see if you're in the video or not. Hi, girls.
Hi. I saw it live.
They saw it live.
Yeah, we watched you draw it.
It happened.
Huh.
That's
Papa.
So he started drawing me and people were trying to guess Santa Claus.
Yeah.
And all kinds of
I knew
stuff
it
and
was.
everything. Here it is. I'm going to show you. Bam. That's what he drew. Yeah.
Okay. I like that shirt you got on.
I like that shirt you got on. Yeah.
Wow.
Ow.
Okay, you want me to say I'm out here at Tyler State Park and I found these
two nuts at Tyler State
Okay.
Park, and at that second we come in.
Okay. I found these 2 nuts at Tyler State Park.
Yeah! Yeah! 2 nuts! Yeah! Texla.
Dutch oven cooking.
That's what we're doing out here. The 2 nuts are cooking. Yeah! All right. This part of the... They call it layered enchiladas. What are they call it?
Layered enchilada casserole.
I'm gonna call it casserole.
Yeah. Because that's what it is.
Call it a casserole.
All right,
It'll
cameras
be you and
on.
Papa.
Oh, somebody go stand over there so I make sure it's
Tell
high
me we're
enough.
too busy to do that.
Right in the middle
No.
right
We're
here.
gonna mix it all up. We're gonna cook it up.
All right,
Mix it.
it's all coming together, y'all. It's all coming together. Oh, wait a minute. We haven't seen what Billy and Rhonda are doing yet. Let's go over there and check them out. Yeah. Wow. Oh boy.
It's cold.
It's giveaway time with Uncle Steve's Shake. That's right, it's a meat rub made in Texas. It's awesome. Papa likes it, but guess what happened? Bam! He sent me another care package. I know there's product in here. And you know what? I'm gonna share the product. North Texas Carrot Garden 2019. It's here, yay! Finally. I won the 73 Forge Outdoors giveaway. Me! Little old me. What? Oh, here we go. This is from 73 Forge Outdoors. And then Nathan 4071 threw in some stuff and I saw the video of him making this and it is awesome. I will leave a link at the end of this video to that video. How to take the rust off of a flat griddle. right when it got real windy. It's fine. I'm waiting for the wind to die down just a second. Let it go. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. All right, so we got 12 teams competing. That's right. We're going to go up to each one of them, maybe get their name and see what they're doing. Stay with us on this. I know it's windy. That's okay. Got a little bit of rain, but it's going away. Yeah. Let's go see them. Potato Bomb collaboration with Pickles Barbecue over in Colorado and Rob Barbecue Pit Dog over in Florida. Yeah, so what I really want you to do is watch mine. I'm tired of this. You really need a real core remover. I will be getting another one unless I find mine. So I'm gonna improvise. That's what's so cool about cooking. We improvise. So I went and got the drill. We're just gonna drill through it. And so, hey folks, it's Papa, Texas, and this is Papa's Kitchen. Yeah, look at that. What do we got for you today? A review. We're gonna be cooking with a Root Boy rub number 2, chicken and pork. And I'm cooking hang on. Baked beans and other stuff. Update. Yeah. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas back there somewhere. How y'all doing tonight? Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. That's right. You know, Big W Adventures made me this sign, you know? So what we're gonna do, he gave me another sign. Let's open it up and see what it is. It's right here. Right here it is. Big W Adventures. Yeah. Alright. Okay, here we go. Alright, here we go. Whee! Hang on. Oh yes! Are you cool? I am so glad he did this. That's an awesome thing to do. Put your name on it. To Papa Texas, a good friend. Big W Adventures. Check that out on YouTube. Yeah, his link's at the end and be down below. Oh yeah. Let's zoom out so you can see this. Check it out. We're fixing to do Papa's Kitchen right now. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. We got Maddie here with me. We're doing some taste testing today, aren't we? Booger? Let's start over. Papa Texas and Booger. Yeah. All right. So I sent Booger an awesome care package and she went live with it today. Yes, she did. It was awesome. You go about 13 minutes into her video and she starts revealing what I sent her. And it's awesome. But let me show you something here. So the main thing I sent her, she waits a while before they show that because they forget about it or something. But I sent her some Texas shaped tortillas. And they had a hard time putting it the right way so that you could see Texas. Discopa me discordant. No. Discopa me disordin. Discopa me disordin. Yeah. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas with Maddie, and this is, what is that doing? Hey folks, it's Papa Texas. I'm here with Maddie. And you know what? This is another edition of Papa's Kitchen. Go check out the Root Boy Cooks. You won't be disappointed. Magnifico. How do you say that? Oh, well, cut that out. No. Yeah. Hit that bell. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. See ya. Hey, folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. Got Maddie here with me. We're doing some taste testing today, aren't we? We got root beer, some cookie dough, red velvet, and chocolate chip. Yeah, and then some Route 66. Look, Route 66. Root beer. Oh. You want a sneak peek? Okay, check out the awesome clock that Nevi sent me. Look at that. I love it. Love it. That's Maddie's board. All these people on YouTube or some on Instagram have sent Maddie mail. And if it's stickers, it goes on her board. She loves her board. Her board is almost full. Here's my first board from awesome people, awesome channels. Right there, right there. And here's my new board. This is what we're filling up today on mine. Maddie's got mail in there too. All right, barbecue pit dog right there. Yeah, I just did a collab with him. Dutch oven box. No. I don't like this one, Calvin. Dutch oven box. Dutch oven box dessert collab. I'll tell you who it's with here in a minute. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. Papa's Kitchen. Sorry, the big W made me that. This link is... Alright. So the first half, we're going to get some Uncle Steve's barbecue sauce. Yeah. Let's get that on there. Yeah. Wow.
Switched it up.
She said she needed a scoot in. I was telling her she needed a scoot in.
Scooter in. Tesla Dutch oven cooking Tex-Mex in the Dutch oven. That is awesome. This is our get together with friends from YouTube. There they are. There they are. What do you call that?
A dog.
What is a dog?
It is
Billy?
a Dutch oven gathering.
Awesome.
Because you know what? There ain't no loving like Dutch oven loving.
That's right. All right, here we go.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
You happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. I'll just have to deal with that. Yeah.
It's out of the
There's some.
That was kind of like a behind the scenes of Papa's junk. Yeah. Hit that bell. You know what else is weird? So I hit that button over the left and I say, I want to look at the newest people that subscribe to me. Okay, 2 months ago, there's a person named Kylie. Says, the last person subscribed to you is Kylie 2 months ago. And I've gained 1,800 subscribers since then. None of them show up in there. That's because when you join YouTube, it automatically hides you from showing that you're subscribed to somebody. You personally have to unclick that so that you're public, so people can see you're subscribed to them. Because I don't know. So if you subscribe to me and you're hidden and you never comment to me, I never know you. Another thing, people, I click on people and I go look at their channel, I look at their about page. Your about page is blank. What is that? Put something in your about. Do that today. Put something in your about page, whether you make videos or not. If you're a creator or not. Yeah. Put something in your about page. Tell us where you live. You know, at least I'm in Texas. I got on there, I'm in McKinney, Texas. Yeah. And if you want to send me a t-shirt, my P.O. or anything, my P.O. box is in there. And I wear an extra large t-shirt. If you want to send me something, you want to send me something really cool, send me some Royal Farms chips. Me and Billy love it. Love it. Love it. Love it. I don't know. I'm just being Papa. Yeah. PT. Papa T. Yeah. Well, that's what I got, just having fun. Alright, I'm watching all videos that I can of the people that want to support. I'm doing the best I can. I'm doing the best I can on commenting back. I'm like 3 videos behind on commenting back. But people, I promise you, I'm putting the time in that I need to. Way more than I need to. Yeah, I stay up too late for that. Alright. You'll have a fantastic rest of the weekend. Stay safe, stay blessed. It's Papa, Texas. See ya.